Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to update your Intel Power Engine driver on Windows 11. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to search bar and type device manager. Search for device manager. You can see on the top here device manager option. Click on it. Maximize the window. Now in the left side, you can see all the listed driver list of your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you have to go search for you have to search for system devices. You can see here second option, double click on it. Now you have to find, it's really hard task, you have to find for your, okay, here it is, Intel Power Engine plugin option. So you have to just right click on it and you will see the option update driver option. Just click on it. Now we'll get two options, search automatic for driver as well as browse my computer for drivers. So right now you have to click on search automatic for drivers. Now you can see in my case I've already installed the latest drivers on my Windows 11. You can check in your PC whether you have updated or not. So after checking up this up, close this window. Now move to settings. So go to search bar and this time you have to search for settings. It's a gear like option here, as you can see here, open settings. Now in the left side you can see all the settings menu list. Now go to the last one and click for check for updates. So it will take hardly 25 seconds. Till then you can subscribe to my channel and like my video. I bring the best videos out there on Windows 11 Essential, and it will tell you all the uh, updated list which you want to update the driver. Okay, taking some time, you have to stay calm and wait. Okay, so in my case I've already updated my Windows 11. You can check in your PC or laptop whether you got an update or not. So guys, thanks for watching and take care.